Hey YouTube, I'm making a quick video on my '05 Ford F-350 with the 5.4 Triton 3-valve V8. If you have bunch of lean codes and O2 sensor lean codes and faults, PCM, this, blah blah blah, and it's stuttering at idle, and it won't idle right like mine, I'll do an example. It's running like shit. So, this thing runs rough, barely idles half the time. Watch, it'll go down. I got a manifold leak too. Watch, it's gonna sputter real soon. It's gonna stop idling right. It's got a huge vacuum leak. Watch. It's gonna drop down to the point where it's barely gonna idle. It's running all right now, but watch. You probably have the same problem as me. Can't figure it out. Pain in the ass. Fucking head. Usually sputters. Brand new, all the way from front to the back. Half the time it starts sputtering, doesn't idle right. Okay, so it hasn't done it yet, but right here, see, there it goes. It's doing it. See, it runs like shit. Barely idle. Okay. So the vacuum hose that is leaking, just causing this thing to idle sporadically and not run good and throw a bunch of codes but no check engine light, is, if you look back here, you see you have this metal vacuum hose goes right off the brake booster, and you trace it back, right, this metal line right here. Throw your arm all the way back there, you'll feel it going to a rubber line, and that rubber line will have popped off, and it's got a tit, and it goes on the back of the intake manifold that hooks up to. That is your problem, and it's a really fucking pain in the ass to put back on. But if you stick your hand back there, trace that metal line coming off the brake booster, goes into a little bit of a T, then it goes into the metal, trace that back, goes back into your intake manifold, and mine popped off just like yours. Okay? 5.4 is a piece of shit. Thanks for watching the video.